Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. Bit of an error here. I had my microphone not pick up any audio, so I'm just voicing over here. So here I am unboxing the CarpodGo T3 Pro. Neat little device that if you have an older vehicle that does not have Android Auto into it, like my van or my wife's car, you can use this display to plug it in and then you can actually get Android Auto. It comes with some mounting adapter. For 250 bucks you get this. Now for $15 extra, it comes with a little rear backup camera that you can plug in to the device. So my car has the backup camera, my wife's doesn't. So I'll show you how that all works later on. So let's get into this device. Okay, so I'm gonna plop it open. Now one of the neat things, I've never really used Android Auto before. We got to rent a vehicle on a trip that had it. So I was like, felt pretty cool finally jumping into the 20th century, getting to use Android Auto. So get home from the trip and then this came for review. So that was perfect timing for me. I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Now let's see what's in the box. Once we get this all unwrapped. All right, what's in the box? What's in the box? Sorry to anybody. I always tend to say that, I think, most times. Okay, open it up. We have, I think it's an 8.9-inch display, 720p, so not, 4K, but you don't really need that for your car. You're just looking for maps and whatever. We got some mounting pieces, those little ball joint things. That little thing has a little angle option on it. So we have some things we can put it on the vehicle. It's a little cigarette light plugs in. It even has a little on-off button because there is no on-off button on the device. So how do you turn it off or on if your CLA basically stays on while it's turned off? So that has that built in. That's pretty neat. Okay, so it comes with all those little accessories. Let's take a look at this device itself. Over there. So we got basically the little holder piece. That's a little ball joint holder. You unscrew it so you can put one in. Let's see if we can take this off. I hate ripping, you know me. I always like to keep things as, pristine as possible, no matter if it goes in the box. Let's see if I can't get this apart. It's stuck underneath. So let's just keep going. I might pull it there. Ooh, there it did it. Awesome. Okay, so unplugged. There we go. Now my big thing is which way is up? Now that's kind of neat. But you can see it's got some ports there. So power. It's got a headphone jack, so you can use it for audio. It also has the little plug that you saw there for the backup camera, and then it has an OTG port as well too. So if you needed to plug in to a USB stick or whatever for more updates, it's got those kind of options. Okay. Yeah. So we'll be trying it on either my car or my wife's car. We'll see what she wants me to do. I think hers would probably benefit the most. That's that little thing there for the backup camera. Plugs around. Pretty clear screen. You can see me. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just kind of debating about how it goes up or down. Which way does it go? Those are the different ports as I kind of mentioned. Yeah. So this is the CarpodGo T3 Pro, 250 bucks. You can get it from Amazon. 265 if you want it with the rear view camera. So when you're backing up, which is a pretty neat little thing. I'm gonna put it in. It's got